Viviana Andrew will design your destiny for greatness, helping you get what you want using what you already have, your personality. Your personality matters because your life matters. The reasons why you act or think in a certain way are because your personality lives in you. Today I'm going to share how you can take the advantage of your personality to benefit you and your business or career. I wish I didn't make mistake in the past. I wish I chose the right career. I wish I know what to do. I wish I can design my destiny. I have been through the pain of making mistakes in the past, such as working on a job which I did not like, or doing a business based on the trend and the influence of a friend. All mistakes could be avoided if I knew my true self well. Would you like to know more about your true self? Your true self is like the whole iceberg. People know you by your external characters. You may not be always aware of your internal characters. If you know your true self, would you trust yourself more? So you can make better decisions. Better decisions lead you to a better life. So I'm going to share 3 steps to design your destiny for greatness. It is my gift for you, so you can trust yourself more. Make better choices to win the battle in life and get what you want. You can stop depending on the trend and the influence of people around you. To receive my video, 3 steps to design your destiny for greatness, fill in your name and your best email into the box below and you will get immediate access to my video.